this puzzle from Mind Your Decisions that arrived today is that if we've got these conditions in terms of balancing, then how many owls, if we tried to balance a cat just with owls, what would happen? So you can do this with algebra and get x's and y's and things all over the place. And I thought, why not try it with Photoshop? So if I know that a chicken is equal to a cat and an owl, I can say, right, well, let's replace that chicken with a cat and an owl, and let's replace this chicken with a cat and an owl. So I know that would balance. Then, if I know that these two, an owl and a tortoise, balances a cat, I can say, well, there's a cat, so let's get this owl and tortoise and replace that cat. I've got another cat here, so let's get another owl and tortoise and replace that cat there, and then change the brush size a bit. Let's just make sure that we have removed that. So there, all that balances. Okay, that owl I haven't done very well. There's an owl. Okay, so we've now got 3 tortoises there, 2 tortoises there, so I could quite easily say, well, let's subtract a tortoise from that side. That will balance a tortoise on that side. Subtract another tortoise there and subtract that tortoise there. So I now know that a tortoise is 4 owls. So that tortoise there can be replaced by 4 owls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is a cat is 5 owls, which would balance all of these chappies on that side. How about that?